Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. Hey, I've got a piece of PVC tubing right now, and we're going to make some sounds with this. We're going to make some music with a piece of pipe, but you're going to need something at the very end. Now, there's easy ways to do it like this, where if you have the cap like this, listen to this. You can make a sound like that. You ready? Okay. The rhythm. Just like that. You're using the cap for the sound. But you have to kind of practice with it so you can get that rhythm going. Okay. Now, if you didn't have the cap or you didn't want to use the cap, you could actually do this. You ready? I'm going to tap it. Just like that. Or just like that. Now, what if you didn't want to have your hand tapping on it like that all that time? You'd want to do something else. In fact, you could use a spatula. Now, this has the little grooves in it, so doesn't really work too well. You still get a little noise, but you're not making a lot of noise. So what you need to do is take either duct tape, or what I have is wide masking tape, and you're going to solve that problem by covering up those little grooves. Okay? So here we go. You're just going to put the masking tape on the end like this, making sure that it covers the grooves completely. Okay? So we're going to wrap it on this side, and then we're going to just flip it over to this side as well, covering those grooves. Okay? So let's see if it works. I've never tested this, but I just figure it would work. You ready? Here we go. You're making sound effects with PVC pipe. How do you like that? But in addition to that, just for fun, you can do this. Hello down there. Can you get me out, please? I'm at the bottom of a hole. Hello. See, you can have all sorts of fun with PVC tubing. You might have some of this left over from a project you're doing at home, or you can just go to the store and get a piece of PVC tubing on its own. But there it is, music and sound effects with everyday items. That's right, PVC tubing. We'll see you next time. This is the DIY Magician. Thanks for coming along. Bye-bye now.